Hello everyone, I am the late night stories teller, a night owls. It's time for another tale to accompany your journey to dreamland. Like the video, subscribe, and tell me where and when you're listening. Let's get started. Working the night shift in a commercial building has its perks: solitude, decent pay, and no distractions. But the 13th floor, an enigma hidden between the 12th and 14th floors, has become my obsession. On my second week, I heard it, the unmistakable sound of a sliding window. I searched every floor, finding no open windows, yet the noise persisted. It was as though something wanted to make its presence known. The camera feeds offered no clarity, only flickers of light on the empty 12th floor. Each night, the noises returned, sliding, banging, and footsteps that seemed to follow me. The day staff avoided my questions, their silence only fueling my unease. They laughed nervously when I asked about the 13th floor, but their eyes betrayed their fear. One night, the elevator's lights flickered, revealing a 13 button for a fleeting moment before vanishing. Intrigued, I climbed the stairs, flashlight in hand. Between floors, I found a chain door with no markings. Its dark gray surface seemed to absorb the light, as if trying to hide itself. I pressed my ear against it and heard faint creaks, like floorboards under pressure. Then, the sound of footsteps began. Slow, deliberate, and unnervingly close. They stopped abruptly, and the silence that followed was deafening. Now, each night I patrol, I'm drawn to the locked door. The air around it feels heavier, charged with an unspoken tension. Something beyond it watches, silent, waiting. The 13th floor is more than a superstition. It's a shadow that lurks, unseen but always present. And though I've yet to unlock its secrets, I know one thing for sure. Whatever is on the other side is far from ordinary.